And welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Legendary musician Bunny Wailer celebrated his 72nd birthday on Saturday at the second edition of Skanking, the celebration held at the Rebel T headquarters in Kingston. Friends, family and members of the entertainment industry all came out in their numbers, showing their support for the reggae icon, offering their well wishes.
Bless up, legend, Dan Dada, Bunny Wailer, big up by your strong, my general.
Nice. It's a wicked level.
Skanking the celebration also featured selections from Jamaican music from top Jamaican sound Rebel T International. The celebration showcased Bunny Wailer's musical lifestyle and legacy, as well as providing a stage for the new reggae generation. Live musical tributes flowed from young reggae artists eager to showcase their talent, including Wailer's brand ambassadors.
White Jesus on them calendar, pastor them a lion, black negus and the powers and the king and the giant.
Roots man a skanking, see the roots man skanking all night long, all night long. Drum and bass. So if I hustle, you a hustle, or I scuffle, you a scuffle.
Rootsman Skanking was held in celebration of Rastafari Month in April and highlights the Rastafari community's contributions to Jamaica's music and culture. This was recently highlighted at the UNESCO Reggae inscription received at the end of last year. Now, reggae artist Coffee has received her first dubplate win after being named Female Dubplate Artist of the Year at the Irish and Chin's 2019 annual World Clash Dubplate Awards. Coffee has gained attention from the media and masses with her contemporary single, Toast, and her EP, Rapture. Coffee has also captured the attention of sound systems internationally. United Kingdom-based artist Stylo G also walked away with the International Dubplate Artist of the Year award. Other big wins includes Busy Signal winning Dubplate Single of the Year for the hit song Stay So, and Bounty Killer picking up his Best 90s Dubplate Artist of the Year award. Idonia scored a win for the Heavyweight Dubplate Artist of the Year. Romain Virgo was the Male Dubplate Vocalist of the Year. Josie Wales was adjudged Veteran Dubplate DJ of the Year, and Beres Hammond was declared Veteran Dubplate Vocalist of the Year. The Irish and Chin's 2019 annual World Clash Dubplate Awards ceremony celebrates dubplate activities year-long while highlighting the historical legacy between artists and sound systems as well as selectors. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.